The farm feels so fresh today. Even the bees look happy and busy in the sunshine. Hi, little bees. Thank you for making such sweet honey for everyone on Monkey Farm.
These jars look so shine. I'll share this yummy honey with everyone after the work is done.
Want to get stung today.
Whoa! That buzzing sounds huge! Something's wrong with the bees and that raccoon over there.
I have to help them quickly. Maybe my tractor can save everyone without hurting a single bee.
Okay, tractor friend, let's go. We'll help the bees calm down and protect that scared raccoon.
Hang on, everybody. I'll use the tractor safely, just like Farmer taught me, to fix this mess.
Water! If I make a big, soft wall of water, maybe it can cool the bees and calm them.
This barrel will help. I'll pour in lots of cool water so we can make a gentle water wall. I'll park right in the middle so the water wall can stand between the bees and the raccoon.
Here comes the water wall. It's soft and safe. Just a cool curtain, not a hard splash.
See? The cool water helps them feel less scared. They just needed a moment to calm down.
I won't let anyone get hurt here. Even if you made a mistake, you still deserve help. When you take honey, the bees think their home is in danger, so they rush out to protect it.
He's sorry now. He didn't understand before, but he knows he scared the bees and me too. Next time, just ask. We can share extra honey safely so the bees stay peaceful and happy. Let's fix their home together. Helping now shows the bees we want to be their friends.
See? When we share, there's enough sweet honey for everyone, and nobody needs to be afraid.
It feels so good sharing together. The farm is happiest when every friend feels safe and included.
This tiny jar is our thank you gift to show we appreciate their hard, busy work.
He wants to say sorry too with these flowers so the bees know he respects their home now.
Look how peaceful everything is now. The bees, the farm, and even our tractor friend are calm.
Today we learned that sharing, saying sorry, and protecting each other make Monkey Farm truly sweet and juicy. Welcome, everyone! Today is Flower Day on Monkey Farm. I brought seeds for all my farm friends.
Everyone can plant a patch of flowers today. Everyone can plant a patch of flowers today. I have to make things right. Today I'll help for real. Hey, Fox! Come help us today! You still trust me?
Everyone deserves a new chance. Let's go! The bees will love new flowers around their home. Fox, you can plant the new flower field right here.
I'll do my best. Just a few more rows, and the meadow will be perfect for the bees. I'm planting more flowers for you. Oh, no!
That tiny bump scared the bees.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They think their home is in danger. I didn't mean to. I just wanted to help. Everyone calm down. Fox didn't mean harm.
See, bees? Fox is helping you grow a bigger and prettier flower garden.
They're starting to understand. They're starting to understand. Look! Fox planted a whole flower field for them.
They're not angry anymore.
Thank you for giving me another chance.
Doing your best is what really matters.
Let's finish this flower garden together. Wow, the flowers look amazing already. Let's celebrate Flower Day together.
Don't judge someone by their past. Anyone can change if they truly want to.
Today, I picked so many shiny apples. I will share the juiciest ones with everyone later.
These apples look so crisp and juicy. I hope everyone will enjoy them for lunch. Well, careful, if I keep filling the crates, everyone will have fresh apples to eat
I think the crates are secure enough now. I'll drive very slowly so all the apples stay safe.
I'll go very slowly down this hill so the apples don't bounce out. Oh, a little bump. I hope that jolt didn't make any apples roll away.
Oh no! The gate opened! The apples are rolling away! Everyone's lunch is gonna be lost!
Stop, apples! If you roll away, everyone won't get to taste that crisp sweetness. I caught a few. But too many apples are rolling away.
Please stop. Those apples fell out by accident. I'm saving them for everyone at the farm. Wait. If you take them, everyone will miss their snack. Please bring the apples back.
I'll drive slowly after him. Not to crash, just to get the apples back for everyone.
I mustn't hit his cart. Need a safe plan so everyone and every apple is okay.
There's a shortcut. If I go around safely, I can block the path before all the apples are gone. I can still see him. If I get down there first, the apples will be safe.
I'll park across the path. Not to scare him, just to save our apples.
This soft apple wall will tell him to stop. No bumping, just a gentle reminder.
Good thing he stopped in time. The apples are safe, and no one got hurt.
I am not angry, but taking our apples is stealing. They are for everyone, not just one tummy.
Are you hungry? You can just ask.
Everyone can share apples when we are honest.
Let's gather everything together. We will put every apple back, then make juice for everyone.
See? When we help each other, everyone wins. Every apple gets home, and no one gets hurt.
We will check every corner so everyone still gets an apple, even after this spill.
Now the gate is tight. Our apples will not escape anymore, and everyone's snack is safe again. Time for apple juice. We saved enough apples for everyone, including you, to enjoy. Remember, it is better to ask and to share. Apples are sweeter when everyone treats each other kindly.
Next harvest, we will work together. Everyone can enjoy fresh apples without any sneaky tricks.
What a day! We lost a little, saved a lot, and learned a great lesson for everyone on the farm.
Oh no, it looks like big rains are coming and the pond water will rise fast. I'm a bit worried about Turtle. Oh dear, the water keeps rising. Just one more big rain and I'll be swept away.
Monkey, every rainy season I get so scared. Afraid one big wave will sweep.
Turtle's rock is too low. If the water rises just a bit more, it'll be dangerous. I need a different idea.
What if I build you a house with a high floor and a strong roof, so even big floods can't hurt you?
Here, this spot is high and far from the edge. If we build your house here, even heavy rains won't flood it. This is the raised floor, this is the strong roof, and this is the door so you can go in and out easily. Wow, the floor is getting higher and higher. I won't have to be scared of the water covering me anymore. With a floor this high, even if the water rises, it'll be hard to reach. Let's build the frame next.
With such a thick roof, even if rain pours down, it won't leak inside. The house looks amazing.
Done. This is your flood-proof house. High, strong, and with your very own door.
The doorstep is a bit high and slippery, but I guess it's still okay. It does look really nice.
Huh? The rain came so fast! We just started testing the house and it's already pouring!
Oh no, all the water is pooling around the base. If it's like this, Turtle will have trouble going in and out. Oh. It's so slippery. I just want to go outside, but I keep sliding.
The house looks beautiful, but if it's only pretty and not safe, it will be very dangerous when real floods come. A raised floor is just the first step. I have to find a way to send the water somewhere else, so it won't stay at the door.
I'll dig a drainage ditch all around, so rainwater can flow away and not flood in front of your door.
That's great! The water doesn't stay here anymore, it goes straight into the ditch.
I'm making a slope for your door, so you can go down slowly and won't have to jump straight from the edge anymore.
These big stones will be your standing steps. So when the water rises, you'll still have dry places to stand.
Now I can go in and out so smoothly, no more slipping. And I've got stones to stand on even if the water surrounds me.
Now this is a real big storm. We'll see if the house is really safe enough.
Look, the water all goes into the ditch and flows around the house. It doesn't block the doorway anymore. Before, I would have been shaking with fear. But now, standing on this high stone, I can watch the roof is still strong, the posts are solid, and the floor is high. This house can handle the big storm, Turtle.
The rain is over. The pond looks beautiful after the storm. And the best part is that Turtle is safe. Thank you. Thanks to this house, I'm no longer afraid of the rainy season. I can even enjoy how beautiful the pond looks after rain.
Now I understand. We shouldn't just build something that looks nice. We have to think ahead and prepare before real trouble comes. If we prepare carefully and think things through, even the rainy season can become safe and beautiful.